curious, Rob, could you explain what zero trust security is and how does Google Workspace align with an organization who's trying to implement a zero trust model?
Sure. So to start off with a bit more context around what zero trust security is. So when we talk about zero trust, historically, what we're referring to is what's called a zero trust network, in which no one person or device or network really enjoys inherent trust. All of the trust, which allows access to informations, applications, other IT services, has to be earned and validated and verified at every step of the journey. So the most common first step of that is really demonstrating a valid identity, username and password. But as we'll see in just a moment, additional security attributes such as a network or device might be valuable to check for as well. So traditionally, many organizations have not been leveraging a zero trust model. They have been leveraging a network-based model where there has been a security assumption in place to say that if a person is on a corporate network and we can verify that they are on that corporate network, either in person at the office or using what's called a virtual private network, a VPN client, we can trust that individual and that device for accessing organizational data. But at Google and with Google Workspace, what we've adopted and what we've encouraged from a security perspective is the use of this zero trust model. Instead of just assuming that a device or a user is secure because they're on the network, don't trust any particular location or particular network simply for the fact of being on that network. There should be zero trust in place, meaning that all of these different security attributes are continuously checked, even if they were checked, a few minutes ago, a few hours ago, continuously checked over and over, validating that every application request, every API call is rechecked, revalidated to ensure that that user is still where they are expected to be from a location perspective. They are still using the device that the organization expects. Nothing has changed about their current trust framework, their trust attributes, helping to ensure that no matter what may be changing with that user, how they're accessing data, that all of the properties that the organization needs to be in place to ensure secure access are still in place with each and every access request.